Hi guys and welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin. Today we're going to be looking at the markets, particularly Bitcoin, as it has taken a turn south. So we're going to check it out, see where it could go. We're going to come back again tonight for a live stream. So just a quick market update. That's going to be it. Again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Right? Um, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the small capsules that we're coming up with on a daily basis for now. Just to do a quick market update as to what's happening. So let's go and see what we have for market cap and then what we could expect to see from the market. So for now, we have the hidden divergence that was helping us to go up. We are turning bearish, right? We're having this large red candle come into play. Now this candle is eating up the previous candle, so it's a bearish engulfing candle that usually tells us that we're going down. I drew this blue line here. Reason for that is I want to see if we were holding some support, and we had this resistance line that we were rejecting, right? Finally broke it, and right now we're back right on it. So that means we are trying to hold it as a support. And for now, we're going to see if that holds, but we don't have anything else going on besides this hidden bullish divergence. Now we broke back into the structure, and we are going to see if it holds, and we're still going to be holding here. I don't like the fact that we have broken below the $1.84 trillion mark, $1.848 trillion mark, which is where that 618 fever retracement is at. But we're still in the structure, and again, trying to see if we're going to hold these levels. We have seen one move down, two move down, and then are we going to get a third move down? And if that move down comes in, is 1.75 trillion going to be strong enough to hold? So again, interesting things coming ahead, right? If we do break south, now if we do try to reverse this for today in the afternoon, we have to try it and close above 1.848 trillion. All right, so let's go and check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 39,918. We are breaking the structure on the triangle. I don't like that. That just tells us that maybe the triangle is not what we're trading in. And that is what we also had this other idea that we're on this larger upsloping channel, right? This larger upsloping channel that comes here. Now, if this is the case, we are still within the channel. Again, we're bearish engulfing the previous candle, which is not the best, but we're still within this area, and we do have support immediately at 39,650. Now, that being said, here again, we have the same hidden divergence, and we could try to hold this level still, and maybe try to get a bounce here to 42,561. I believe this could be a target on this chart that we have, right? But if we go to our chart with all the supports and resistances, what we're going to see is that we're breaking below 40,997. Now, if you remember, yesterday I said on the stream, if we do hold above 40,997, we could go to 42,996. If we break back down, again, we're looking for 39,291. Right now, we are going down, and it's coming in with strength. The move's coming in with strength, right? We're losing 2.95, almost 3% on the market. So, again, starting to move down. Could be going for that 39,291. So that's the second time we've seen 39Ks, right? We saw it on the upsloping channel. We're seeing it here. And if we do go to our other chart that we have that's here, you can see that, again, our support is going to be at 38,314. All right, that's the next one we have here moving down. And that's where we could be aiming. Again, breaking this triangle to the downside, it's a larger move. It gets us near that 29,000s, right? Breaking that upsloping channel that we had in the other chart gets us to where we're at around that 31,000. So again, large moves to the downside on breaking bearish. So we don't want to break bearish. Let's go here to the 4-hour chart. What do we have here, man? On the 4-hour chart, we had this potential double bottom. Did not go for a measure move. I talk about that on the 1 hour. We had hidden divergence coming in last night when we were live here on this candle. And afterwards, we just turned to turn south. We didn't hold the 20. We didn't hold 40,542. Not good. Not good, right? So again, breaking below. We are still slightly higher than the previous low here and then the previous low here. So if you just want to look at the moves, low, higher low, and still slightly higher low, if you draw a line of sorts to see where we're at, we are below, right? We are breaking below that support line. And that's not good. I guess it's to go a short-term bearish. So I hope that is not the case for now. Again, I want to be a little bit more cautious with the way the market is. We're sitting sold at 38.30 on the RSI. And with that, again, we could be looking for it to come back up slightly to back to that neutral zone. That means that, Bitcoin could be taking a pop, maybe to that 20 moving average at 40,338, maybe even hitting 40,542. That is if it does try to go up, but we don't have anything bullish to go on for now, right? So let's go on to the 1 hour and see what we have there. On the 1 hour chart, had this bearish divergence last night when we were live, right? 8 p.m. candle, breaking down since, breaking below 20. Again, I was hoping the 20 was going to hold, breaking below 20, rejecting once, rejecting twice, and then we're moving down, and we didn't even flinch at holding 40,542. We just plowed through it, right? This candle kind of held. This one just broke it, and then we're just still moving down. I'm looking here for some hidden divergence to potentially hold on the move and see if we can get us to, where we could try to look for some upwards motion, but it doesn't look like it's going to be the case. It just looks like the market wants to basically go down for now. We're not getting the cleanest or the most bullish indicators coming into play. So double bottom we were looking at broke that neckline. We were starting on the rally. We didn't go for that measure move. 42,007 was a move. Again, when we fail to get these moves that are bullish to play, that tells us that, maybe conditions are still bearish. And we the hidden divergence idea I was playing with right now is just gone bye-bye, right? We are dropping lower. If I remove that, you're going to see that we're coming lower. So no longer do we have this hidden divergence. And again, that is to the candle that is live right now. Still has 4 minutes to go. Hasn't yet closed. Again, just watch out for that closing. See if we keep this hidden bullish divergence. But I think if we don't hold it, we could be looking for further movement down, maybe more sell-off to come. And yeah, we're going to be live here again tonight to talk about markets. And remember, if you enjoy the small clips that we are coming out with, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell and the sub, and you join us tonight. I go live every night, so coming up with awesome small content and trading just for you guys to check and follow. So again, market moving down, not the strongest. That's gonna be it for right now, guys. Again, remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you again tonight for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.